Imagine your computer is a super secret treehouse, just for you and your best friends. But how do you keep any pesky rascals out? Well, you gotta prove it's really you at the door. First thing you need? A secret word. And this password, it's just for you. And that first step? It's called authentication. It's basically the secret knock to get inside. Uh-oh, but what if someone overhears your secret word? Secret words aren't always enough. See, someone might just guess it, or a trickster could fool you into sharing it. That's why, for extra safety, you're gonna need a secret handshake too. We call this multi-factor authentication. It just means you need more than one key to get in. It's a two-step deal. First, you say the secret word, then you show your special key. And here's the cool part. Your key could be something you have, or even something you are. Awesome! You've proved it's you, and now you are safe and sound inside the treehouse. But now that you're in, what are the rules? What can you actually do? This next part is called authorization. It's the set of rules for your visit. For example, maybe you can play with everything, but your friend, they can only use the red blocks. So remember this, authentication gets you in, authorization sets the rules inside. But are all secret handshakes the same? Nope. Some are way, way safer than others. A special key you can hold, or your fingerprint. That's super strong. A code in a text? It's just okay. And you know what's really cool? The safest treehouses, they don't even use secret words anymore. Instead, they use something called a passkey. It's a magic key that uses your face or fingerprint. So how are you going to keep your treehouse safe? Always use a secret word and a secret handshake.